Hi friends, today I'm making we're cleaning it. First I wash it, and so this is the way I'm going to do it. So watch the video till the end, friends. So this is the way I'm going to wash it now. I put it into this polythene because I want to rinse it. How I am going to do it, that also you see, friends. I don't waste water also. So this water I'm going to use it for my plants. In this way I will wash it. The mud will come out, so much mud will come out that with 2 3 water I'm going to wash this. In this way your leaves will not get spread here and there, and it will be in one place also. After that I'm going to remove all the water out, drain it out, and then I will squeeze it. I mean to say I'm going to remove the extract water from it, from the other way. See, the water is so dirty. Now it doesn't look so dirty, but see the mud. You can see the mud over there. So much mud is there, friends. So this mud also I'm going to wash, and then again clean this again 3 4 times I will do, but that I'm going to show you. So this way I'm going to do it. Now I am rinsing it for the second time, and then the third time. After that it will be all rinsed out, and then I'll wash the other veggies also. That also I'll show you later on how I dry, how I store it. Watch the video till the end, friends. Yeah. Now I put into this squeezer, the strainer. I can say what to say, I don't know, but you tell me now. Now removing the extract water from this. I didn't remove the leaves. I kept it in the bag only. I pour because it's going to spread here and there, so in that only I get clean from there. Also so much water. I didn't directly do. I kept it for an hour, and then I removed the water. That much also water was inside. So this way I'm going to remove the water out. Then I will dry it, friends. This way. Yeah, so much water to that. Now I'll dry it in the other side. See here. This also cloth we get it on online. So here I'm going to dry it out. Otherwise usually I dry it on my mat, chadar. So in this way I'm going to dry it out. And more veggies also I'm going to do the same thing. Watch the video till the end, friends. See you. So here I have dried aloo, patta, coriander, and now I'm going to cut it and put it in the bag for storing. For how many days you want to, you can store it. So this way I do it. Whenever I want, I remove it a little, and then I use it for my other veggies, other recipes like kofta making or any snack making or anything else you can make with this paratha. You can make nice raita also with this. So I do that all preparation method. This way I'm going to do all other veggies also the same thing, friends. Even coriander, pudina, all I store in this way only. So this is the way I keep my leafy vegetables in a fresh way. And this remains for a week also. It remains how many more days you want to keep, you can keep this for. So friends, you also try and see how in this way not to waste your money in getting your veggies and just throwing it in the dustbin. Sometimes it gets spoiled. So this is the way best way to keep your space occupied in the freezer. So I do keep much of my veggies like this way only. Friends, I have done others. This is the methi, mart, red mart, coriander. Okay, friends, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye. See this in the way. Have a great day. Thank you, friends, for watching. Have a great day. Bye. You don't understand? Make me under. I will work. Please. I will. Thank you, friends, for watching. Have a great day. Bye. You don't understand? Make me under. I will work. Please. I will.